When talking about graphing quadratic functions in factored form, the parent function is y equals a parentheses h minus k parentheses squared plus k. That's factored form. So for this problem, the problem is y equals negative parentheses x minus 2 squared plus 4. So the a for this problem, it's only negative there, so that makes it negative 1. And if it's negative, it means their parabola is facing down. The h is going to be 2, and the k is going to be 4. So if you plug that into your calculator, it should look something like this, facing down because the a is negative. Now, to find the vertex, you'd plug it into your calculator, or you could just look at the h and the k and find out that it's 2, 4 right there. And it's going to be a maximum because the max is positive and it's facing down. And if you look at other points are going to be 0, 4, 1, 3, and 3, 3. And negative 1, negative 5, and 4. It should be 5, negative 5. So, and the max is the highest point, and the highest point is up here. So, when we're looking for the y-intercept, the y-intercept is where the x is 0, which would be 0, 0. You can also hit second graph and check where the x is 0. And it's vice versa to find the x-intercept, which would be 0, 0, and 4, 0, where the y-intercept is 0, and it crosses the x-axis. So that would be 0, 4. And the roots are going to be basically the same thing. It's where it crosses, and that's 0, 4 for the x-intercept. The domain, to find the domain for quadratic function, it's always going to be negative infinity, infinity, always, every time. And for the range, it's bottom to top. So you're going from the lowest point, and it's continuing all the way down forever when it's facing down. So it's going to start negative infinity, and the highest point is 4. So the highest point is going to be 4. You always do bottom to top.